Alright, what do we do? You didn't do anything. Jeez, I gotta do everything. Where's the other module at?
Up front.
We're gonna need that.
We are?
Yeah, at some point.
Alright.
Oh, jeez, look at all that oil on the floor under there. Okay, is all this crap gonna fit through here?
Probably not.
Okay. Let's find out. Here's somebody opened the hole up in the cover.
Yeah. We definitely handled that.
I don't have that thing over here in my way, so I got access to the hole.
Looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah, how'd that happen? How'd that all happen?
Just making shit easier.
Uh-oh. That's the fun part, jamming that through. Well, no wonder it won't go in.
You frayed it.
Hey, I was doing my best. It's probably not going to go in anyway, but we'll give it a try, right?
Yeah. Almost.
Yeah, that's what you said.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure it's not going to go this way.
Jam it in there.
I'm trying. If Fred was here, he'd be doing it right.
Old drunk dad. Where's that guy? I miss old drunk dad. Good at all that stuff. He doesn't want to go, huh?
No. Appears to be a lack of a going in there.
A lack of going.
Can't tell if it's moving at all or just the wires are going further. I'm thinking the wires are just going.
Oh, there it goes. Popped in.
It's already in.
No, like it kept on popping more. I know we had this one going through last time.
Nope, that did not go through last time.
Oh wait, no, that was just after it.
Nope. Pulling that.
Looks like it's slightly going in.
Yeah, but slight is the key phrase there.
Yeah.
It just wads up. Fucker's in there that far too. I pulled it out. Look how close it was to going. I couldn't tell.
About ½ inch.
So it's fraying all these wires up as we're doing this too. Yep.
I have a lighter. We can fix that up.
You can fix it?
Make it so it doesn't fray at the end.
I had it in there anyway. I didn't know it. I had it jammed in almost all the way. See, it was in there that deep, and it only had to go that far when it came out. So I almost had it. No. Shrinking tube.
Oh, the old shrink 'em tubes.
Let me get some of this stuff right here. We'll give it one last opportunity to screw with me. Then I'm going to eliminate it.
Then we're going to eliminate it.
That's the next problem. Why'd you make the shrink tubing so small? It didn't look like that small a shrink tubing when I first got it. It's worse than a damn hole. So you didn't think I could jam that thing in there, did you?
I had my doubts.
Just like I jammed in that hole over there. Okay, where's your hot gun at?
Right here.
My fingers get hot. Something on the floor too.
Something's on the floor.
Okay, just gonna go in there now?
I don't know, maybe you should stop kicking the module around.
Why?
Kicking the shit out of it.
Is that a problem?
I don't know, you tell me.
Yeah, it's Harley part of the stuff that can take it. It's gonna see worse than this motor.
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely is. I'm gonna kick the shit out of that thing.
We got the same problem.
Vice grips, pull it through.
Gotta get a hold of it first.
Should have gotten like a foot-long piece of that shrink tube on there.
Probably should have got a little longer piece. That would have helped. Won't go anymore, that's for sure.
Thought we opened up that for a reason.
The wiring keeps coming out, just insulator. The rest of it's not coming. I think there's a high spot in there someplace.
I'm gonna throw some fucking lubrication on there.
Is this going any deeper on this end?
It doesn't look like it. Let's make that thing all slippery.
It's not moving, it's the same spot.
Yeah. Oh, and the heat wrap came off. Shrink wrap.
It's bringing the water up really good though.
I don't want to do that.
Shred it off. Where'd the shrink piece go?
I think it's right in there. There it is.
Did it get stuck in there?
Yep. There you go. I think.
Yeah, that worked good. Alright. That almost worked.
Just need to do a piece like could.
You want a longer piece now, is what you're saying?
I'm saying that'll probably make it work.
I'm going to waste more shrink tubing.
I'd rather just drill it out. We can, yeah, we can scrape it out.
Scrape what out?
Get a reamer.
Oh, that's a whole other problem. I don't know if this stuff will shrink down enough. We'll better try this piece. Cost you twice as much money now.
Shit. Oop, stepping on it again.
That's the wiring for this other bike. He's gonna watch that video, see you did that to his bike.
Yeah, kicked his little wire cover.
Now this is that shitty Palco frame I told you about that's not worth buying, that you already own.
Yeah, probably spent way less than he did.
I don't know. The first problem is foot pegs are too low. So that means now the brake lever or shift lever line up with your peg. That's the first problem.
Mm-hmm.
Next problem is the brake lever is too low, so it doesn't work with anything. So everything's wrong on that. So you want to come and take that lever, cut it, weld an extension on it, move it up to get it back up to where it belongs.
Is this the stock one?
They only make one frame. So all of that stuff has to be corrected. Next problem is the slots back here are way too wide for the axle, so the axle actually floats up and down the side of the swing arm, the plates back there.
Yeah, I got spacers for it.
No, the slot's too wide, not the distance between the two sides.
Oh, no, like the weird
No.
things. Yeah, it's right, this thing right there. Right. And there's one on this side, too. Actually, no, there's not one on this side. It's just that one on this side.
Okay, second last chance. Isn't this fun working on Harleys?
They're so rad. Well, here we go.
You know what?
Getting to the tough point. Should can we shoot some fucking lubrication in there? You think that would help?
No.
Okay.
Are you saying you're too dry?
Yeah.
Looks good until you get about that deep. Appears to be pregnant.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
You didn't think my thumb was that strong, did you?
Doubted the thumb power.
Why do we do all that work?
So we can have nice looking black wire.
Protects the wire. What you gotta do is you gotta pull back on that, which makes it tighten up the
Yeah.
weave, and you can pull it through. See. See, it gets all wadded up on this side, though.
Yeah.
So now you take this, you pull back on that part.
And do it the other way.
Trying to get rid of some of the. There, see? Would you want this?
Somewhere in there, so it works.
Which way does it go?
It goes like this.
How do you know? How do you know it goes like that?
Because of the marking up there.
Your fingers. What marking?
There's the little triangle right there.
A big scratch right there?
Oh, there's a triangle right there that's what you use a little screwdriver thing to move it around.
You mean that little area right there goes right where that area right there is?
Yep.
Damn. Who told you that?
Oh, nothing. I'm just getting smart.
Oh, okay. That's what you said. I believe that too.
Finally.
Okay, now if you put that up there like that, a little extra wire, it doesn't have a problem with having it in there, see?
Yeah, but wouldn't it get in the way of this top guy right up here?
You mean that
No,
guy right
no.
there?
Okay, yeah, no, that works.
When you tighten it down, you mean?
Yeah. There you go.
There you go.
It also covers the light.
Yeah, you got that cover off looking at that all night long while you're driving, aren't you?
You gotta be making sure that the ignition's going properly.
Got your head down there watching it.
Yeah, I've been to yoga.
It's flashing as you're riding.
Cops are pulling me over saying that I'm trying to look like them. Or a red flashing light.
The other problem, see, this runs in down here. The two wires get too friendly over there. And just to make sure there's enough room, you put a screw right in the middle of it to
Yeah.
make it worse. Alright, so you got a little extra wire there in case something happens down the road. Okay. Let me get your conduit right here. Where's this go? Now, which ones are we not using?
Wasn't it the... I forget, man. I think it's like the purple and green, purple and blue? No. Purple and something. I can't remember.
Purple and something. Story of your life. Purple and something. Alright, I know it's on there. Look at that.
Fancy.
See, I didn't know how much to cut it because you didn't bring me the other module.
And we'll be right back.
So you don't know where it is. So I just have to make do.